In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an invoice in Google Sheets. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have a clean, professional invoice that you can reuse for future clients, all without needing any extra software. First, open your browser and go to sheets.google.com. If you're not already signed in, sign in to your Google account. On the main Google Sheets page, look near the top right for the Template Gallery option and click it. This opens a collection of ready-made templates that save you time and give you a solid starting point. Next, scroll down to the section labeled Work. Here, you'll see a variety of templates designed for business tasks. Find the one called Invoice and click it. Google Sheets will create a new spreadsheet from this template, and this will be your invoice file. Now, let's customize the header so it reflects your business. At the top of the sheet, replace the placeholder company name with your own and update the address to match your business details. If you have a logo, you can add it by going to the Insert menu, choosing Image, and then Image over Cells. This lets you position your logo neatly in the header area without breaking the layout. While you're in the header, update the invoice number to whatever format you use to track your invoices. For the date, you can type a specific date or use a simple formula to keep it current. Click the date cell and type equals today, followed by parentheses, like this. Equals today, then open and close parentheses. This will always show the current date. Set the due date based on your standard payment terms, such as 7 or 30 days from the invoice date. Below that, fill in your client details. In the Bill To section, enter your client's name, company, and address. If you ship physical goods and the delivery address is different, also complete the Ship To section. Otherwise, you can leave it as is or match it to Bill To. In the main table, list what you're charging for. In the item or description column, type each product or service. Add quantities and unit prices in their respective columns. As you fill these in, the template will usually calculate line totals automatically. Look toward the bottom of the table and check the subtotal, tax, and total fields. Most invoice templates in Google Sheets come with formulas already built in, so when you change quantities or prices, the subtotal and total should update automatically. If something doesn't update, make sure you haven't accidentally deleted or overwritten a formula in those cells. Near the bottom, you'll find a section for payment terms or notes. Use this area to explain how and when you expect to be paid. You can mention accepted payment methods, such as bank transfer or online payment, and restate the due date or late fee policy if you have one. Clear payment terms help avoid confusion and make it easier for your client to pay you on time. Once everything looks correct, it's time to save a version you can send. Go to the File menu at the top left, choose Download, and then select PDF Document. This converts your invoice into a fixed, professional-looking file that you can attach to an email or upload to your preferred client portal. Before sending, quickly open the PDF to double-check that all the information, formatting, and totals look the way you expect. That's it. You now have a reusable Google Sheets invoice you can duplicate and customize for each new client, making your billing process faster and more consistent.